The unique function is a new dynamic array function newly added to Excel in 2020. It can return a unique set of values from a list. For example, if we use the unique function here of this list, equal unique, select this whole range, write parentheses, hit enter. So as we can see, it returns the 5 unique values from this list, and the Excel just ignores the duplicates. The unique function has several additional parameters. So if we go back here, so the first one by column, we can use true if we want to do a horizontal list, but it defaults to false, return the unique rows. And the next parameter is we can select true, return items that appear exactly once, or we can select false, return every distinct item. So in this example, let's use true exactly once, write parentheses, hit enter. As you can see, it only returns one value, lemon, because in this example, lemon in this list is the only item that shows up exactly once. So next time, if we want to return a list of unique values in a list or a range, we can just use the unique function.